Unit 2. Speaking Practice Evaluation Rubric and Activity Submissional Segment. Video about personal information. B. Michael Corro. Group 9 0 1 0 0 1 8. Personal information. Good day, teacher. I want to speak about my life. I am 32 years old. I am from Rivera Huila. I studied environmental engineering at the UNAT University. I also did a specialization in heat management at the Ariandina University. Work experience. In 2010, I worked as a service seller in the city of Bogota. In 2011, worked as administrative assistant in the city of Villavicencio. In 2012, I worked as administrator at Rubiales Field until 2020. Also, company, Big Part, Frontera Energy, and Ecopetrol. Entrepreneurship. I have a business. I buy cocoa. The name of my company is Cor Cacao. It was founded in May of these years, and every day we position ourselves in the market. I want to learn English to offer my products in the world. Cor Cacao in the world. Our product, cocoa. Some activities carried out. Thanks